It was our task to model the mission of the James Webb Telescope. Therefore, we started with the launch of the rocket from Earth. James Webb Telescope is NASA's largest and most powerful space science telescope ever constructed. It has 4 science instruments: near-infrared camera, near-infrared spectrograph, mid-infrared instrument, and near-infrared imager and slideless spectrograph with the fine guidance sensor. After launching from Earth on the 25th of December 2021, the observatory traveled to Lagrange Point 2. There are 5 so-called Lagrange points, areas where gravity from the Sun and Earth balance the orbital motion of a satellite. Putting a spacecraft in any of these points allows it to stay in a fixed position relative to the Earth and Sun with a minimal amount of energy needed for course correction. In the case of Lagrange Point 2, this happens about 930,000 miles away from the Earth, in the exact opposite direction from the Sun. At Lagrange Point 2, the telescope underwent 6 months of commissioning in space, unfolding its mirrors, its sunshield, and other smaller systems, cooling down, aligning, and calibrating. Astronomers worldwide are now able to conduct scientific observations to broaden our understanding of the universe.
It really amazed me how well planned was the trajectory of the telescope from Earth to Lagrange Point 2. The NASA had to follow a very strict schedule so the trajectory won't get affected. And in VR, the problem is kind of the same because we are trying to set a 3D trajectory from Earth to Lagrange Point 2, which is sort of static, but in space, nothing is static. So getting the James Webb Space Telescope in the Lagrange Point 2 was kind of tricky.
On the one hand, I already knew a lot about VR and computer graphics, and I was able to use that knowledge in this project. But on the other hand, while in theory I knew how Git worked and GitLab, I've never been able to apply it in a practical course, and this project allowed me to reinforce my knowledge of it, and I was also now able to apply that knowledge to transfer it to my bachelor thesis where I used this as well.